In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background on Slack video call. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a Slack huddle and switch the visual theme so your background looks polished and on brand. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Slack and press Enter. Click the official Slack website in the results and sign in to your workspace. If you're already signed in, you'll land straight in your Slack client. Once you're in Slack, look at the left sidebar. Find Huddles. This is Slack's lightweight audio and video feature that lets you jump into quick conversations. Click Huddles to get started. Next, click Start a Huddle. This opens the prompt to begin a new session. Choose the teammate you want to video call with by selecting their name or the channel where the conversation should happen. When you're ready, click Start a Huddle again to confirm and launch the call. You'll see the huddle controls appear at the bottom of your Slack window. To make things easier to manage, click the small window or pop-out icon to open the huddle in its own window. This gives you more space and makes the settings easier to find during the call. In the huddle window, look for the three dots, often labeled More or shown as a menu icon. Click that to see additional options. From the menu, choose the option called Choose a Huddle Theme. Themes control the visual environment of your huddle and let you change how your background appears to everyone in the call. You'll see a selection of themes. Browse through and pick the one that fits your tone. Professional, playful, or anything in between. If your lighting is a bit uneven, consider a simpler theme that keeps attention on you while still giving your video a clean, consistent look. When you've made your choice, click Set Theme to apply it. The change takes effect right away, and others in the huddle will see the updated background. If you don't see Huddles or the theme option, make sure you're on the desktop version of Slack and that your app is up to date. Also note that availability of themes can vary depending on workspace settings. That's it. You went from opening Slack, starting a huddle with a teammate, popping out the call window, and switching to a new background theme in just a few clicks. Keep this flow handy, and you'll be able to refresh your video call look anytime you want. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next Slack huddle with a background that matches your style.